India today. The Supreme Court gives interim bail to Arvind Kejriwal till June 1st. That is when polling ends in the country. Remember, the last phase of elections, the 7th phase of the Lok Sabha elections are to happen on June 1st. And Arvind Kejriwal, Delhi Chief Minister, now secures interim bail from the apex court of the country till June 1st. The Supreme Court, of course, will wait for that order. Nalini is tracking that. Kanu Shalda is tracking that in the court as well in terms of whether there are any strictures, any conditions. As Nalini has been pointing out, the last time during the hearing, the Supreme Court had categorically stated that they would not allow for the Chief Minister to perform his duties as Chief Minister while he's out. So he's getting interim bail for campaigning purposes because the argument, the moot argument that the Aam Aadmi Party put forward, aside from the fact that they alleged that his arrest was illegal, they said that this was an attempt, a premeditated move by the central government through the central agency to stop Arvind Kejriwal from campaigning during the Lok Sabha elections. So this is what the Supreme Court is saying. Nalini, over to you. Take us through all the details, Nalini.
Well, yes, Paulami, that's a big breaking news coming in that they have granted bail, interim bail to the Delhi Chief Minister till the 1st of June. Now, the order is going to have several conditions that will be imposed basically on what Arvind Kejriwal can and cannot do during the time when he is out on interim bail. It remains to be seen whether or not he will be able to perform any of his duties as the Chief Minister of Delhi, because the last time around the Supreme Court had categorically said that that will not be allowed. The only reason why he is being granted bail is so that he can campaign for the elections, and these are elections that happen only once in every 5 years. So it's crucial that everybody has a level playing field, and especially all opposition parties are allowed to campaign for the elections. It remains to be seen what kind of conditions are imposed on the Delhi Chief Minister once the detailed order comes out. But at the same time, what Abhishek Manu Singhvi is asking for, who is the lawyer for Arvind Kejriwal, is that he should be allowed out on bail till at least the 5th of June, considering that the results of the elections are set to be announced on the 4th of June. But what the bench has said is that there is no campaigning, and campaigning gets over at least 48 hours prior. So there will be no considering that aspect as to whether or not he should be allowed till the 4th of June interim bail or not. At the same time, what Tushar Mehta, who's representing the ED, has told the Supreme Court that there should be a condition imposed on him that he should not speak about the case and he should surrender on the date that the Supreme Court so decides. So we're still waiting for the conditions that have been imposed on him, but big breaking news coming in that he has finally managed to secure himself interim bail to campaign for the election.
Absolutely. Big breaking news that's coming in right now. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal can walk out of Tihar jail to campaign for the Lok Sabha elections till June 1st. Now, Tushar Mehta, who is the Solicitor General in court, saying that he should not speak about the case and surrender on the date specified. The detailed order is still awaited, but the orders being passed at the moment, as per the Supreme Court, is that they are granting Arvind Kejriwal interim bail till June 1st when Lok Sabha elections come to a close, when in fact, polling ends for the 7th phase of the Lok Sabha elections. Going across to my colleague Amit Bhardwaj, who's standing by outside the Aam Aadmi Party office. Amit, over to you. What is the reaction on the ground? The news coming in, Arvind Kejriwal can walk out of Tihar jail and campaign for the party till June 1st.
Paulami, you know, the first reaction was naturally inside the Aam Aadmi Party office by the Aam Aadmi Party workers, was in sloganeering happiness, smiles on the faces, and Kejriwal Jindabad slogans inside the Aam Aadmi Party office. You know, we were meeting several top leaders of Aam Aadmi Party this morning, and they were all very nervous about this particular moment. They said that during the Sanjay Singh's bail hearing, they were not anticipating any bail that day, and suddenly the bail was granted to Sanjay Singh. And today, the same strategy was, you know, sort of also resorted by AAP leaders. Initially in the day, all the top leaders of the party, strategists of the party, were at the national headquarters of Aam Aadmi Party, but certainly before the verdict was pronounced, they had decided to disperse. But the Karyakartas, the volunteers who were at the party office, they certainly started to raise slogans in support of Arvind Kejriwal. Everybody was waiting for this particular moment in Aam Aadmi Party, right from Delhi to Punjab. They were hoping that the interim bail will be granted to their national convener. And what does this mean for Aam Aadmi Party? You know, Gopal Rai is there. I'll try to take one comment from Gopal Rai as well. He's happy. I can see him smiling. Maybe the top leadership of the AAP will gather here. As I was telling you, all these leaders were at the party office through the day, but they decided to disperse before the judgment was pronounced. And now they are gathering here. So first the meeting will happen, a strategy will be carved out, and they will be also waiting for those nuances, as Nalini was also pointing at, as to what are the conditions that will be laid down by the court, and whether he's allowed to speak on the case or not, what sort of campaigning he'll be allowed to do. All those nitty-gritties need to be written, and they need to be followed as well.
Absolutely.
But
Amit, so we are, of course, waiting on whether any
was,
conditions are imposed on Arvind Kejriwal in terms of him walking out of jail is concerned, in terms of the interim bail that he's been granted. But this is a huge boost as far as the Aam Aadmi Party campaign is concerned. Okay, let's cut across to a reaction that's coming in from the Supreme Court.
अभी जस्ट 2 बजे कोर्ट अभी जस्ट 2 बजे कोर्ट 2 की बेंच बैठी, असेंबल किया सिर्फ इस मैटर के लिए। उन्होंने एक शॉर्ट ओरल ऑर्डर प्रोनाउंस किया। अभी हमने उसकी लिखित कॉपी नहीं देखी है। एक शॉर्ट मौखिक ऑर्डर कोर्ट ने प्रोनाउंस किया। उसमें कोर्ट ने कहा कि अरविंद केजरीवाल जी को 20 दिन के लिए इंटरिम बेल दी जा रही है 2 जून तक, और कोई कैंपेनिंग के ऊपर कोई रिस्ट्रिक्शन नहीं है। वो क्या कह सकते हैं या क्या नहीं कह सकते हैं, उस पर कोई रिस्ट्रिक्शन इम्पोज नहीं की गई है। जबकि जब ऑर्डर भी प्रोनाउंस किया जा रहा था तब भी ईडी ने रिक्वेस्ट किया कि कोई रिस्ट्रिक्शन डाली जाए, लेकिन कोई रिस्ट्रिक्शन नहीं दी गई है। और 2 जून को उन्हें 2 जून तक की ये मोहलत दी गई है इंटरिम बेल की। अब मैं इंग्लिश अंग्रेजी में बोलता हूँ। और अभी जितना ओरली बोला गया है, ओरली ऑर्डर में और कोई कंडीशन नहीं है, लेकिन हमें लिखित ऑर्डर देखना होगा कि और कोई कंडीशन है या नहीं है, पहली बात। दूसरी बात, इस ऑर्डर जब ये अपलोड हो जाएगा और अवेलेबल हो जाएगा, इसके बेसिस पे ट्रायल कोर्ट रिलीज का ऑर्डर पास करेगा। हम कोशिश करेंगे कि जल्द से जल्द आज ही हो जाए। वो हमारी कोशिश रहेगी कि अरविंद जी आज ही रिलीज हो जाए, वो जल्द से जल्द रिलीज हो जाए और आज ही रिलीज हो जाए। इंग्लिश में बोल टुडे एट 2 PM द बेंच इन कोर्ट 2 assembled for this matter, and it pronounced a very short oral order. We have not yet seen the written order, which will be uploaded in the course of the day, as we understand. And in that oral order, the court indicated that they are granting interim release / bail to Mr. Arvind Kejriwal, and that order of interim release will be operable up till 2nd of June, that is during the election process. And there is no restriction on his campaigning as to what he can say, what he cannot say while he is out in these 20-22 days. Any further aspect, we'll have to see the order and then only comment.
So when do you think he'll be released?
We are anticipating that the order should be getting uploaded quickly. We'll obviously move for release today itself. We'll try for the release today itself, and we hope that it should happen today itself. Thank you.